I like Chipotle. I also like McDonald's. You judge me all you want, I don't care. Alright, so I'm gonna do a mic test on this audio recorder. Tried it once before. Tried a different setup. Had some complaints about the extra noise, and you know what? I reviewed a lot of stuff that I recorded, and there is some mic noise, and I have a bad habit of when I get up to higher speeds, I yell. So I'm going to try to not do that, because the louder my voice is, the more distortion I seem to have on my recordings. I got two mics going on here. My helmet cam's got a mic built in. The Cena tube has got a mic coming in. And then I am gonna try to use a separate audio recorder that's got a microphone on it. So I don't know if you can see that or not. What do we want to talk about? I know there's a bunch of things that I haven't really done lately. The ugliest vehicle I saw on the road today, that's one of them. So I need to get back into that. Maybe we'll do a little bit today. There's always ugly vehicles. I was thinking about it yesterday, and I ran across a bunch. I reached out to my nephew, Zach, which just graduated college as, I believe, an audio engineer. But he listened to some of my videos and my request, and he had some suggestions. So we're gonna slowly start going through them. And this is one of them that he was talking about, is having a separate microphone, because that microphone that I had before, well, watch the other videos, you'll notice. Another thing that I'm considering is this camera right here is an SJ cam, and honestly, the SJ cam does great videos. And if you use the onboard mic, it's an onboard mic. It supposedly works, but it doesn't. I think they had a firmware issue or something like that. There's a lot of people that were having issues with the earlier SJ8 Pros getting that external mic to work. Or what I'm leaning towards is buying a GoPro 8 Black with the media mod, which has got a microphone input for a 3.5 millimeter jack. Maybe we'll get on the highway here in a little bit. But there's a biker rally later part of June down towards Durango, Colorado. The Naughty Schoolgirl Bike Rally. I guess it's a national thing. But we're going to go do a moto camping trip down there. But honestly, that'll be my very first biker rally. We're going to go down there. We're going to do some moto camping. But Alex's friend bought his first motorcycle, and I forget what it is, but it is a dual sport. When you get on a highway speed on a motorcycle, microphone's up here. My ears are back here, and they're covered. So hearing what I say makes me naturally want to yell a little bit louder. 75 miles per hour, just talking normally here. A small stretch of highway that we're going to do. I don't know how much noise you guys are picking up. I'm getting a whole lot. I can barely ever hear myself talk here. So just a little bit of a sound test. Alright. I'm really hoping that external microphone on this player is my answer. It's a little bit of a hassle setting it up, but it's really not that much more. I mean, when you're talking about all the cameras you're setting up, normally I'm setting up a minimum of 2 cameras. I've got one video where I had 6. I know, that's crazy. I had 6 cameras on the bike. But, let me explain that. That is primarily because I wanted to find some good locations on the motorcycle that had decent views. I am really considering doing an advanced motorcycle training. I never did the basic course when I was beginning motorcycling. Didn't have the money to do that. And then when I did have the money, I had 6-7 years underneath me. So I didn't do it. Didn't do the basic course. But now I'm thinking about, you know what, maybe I should do the advanced course. Not that I'm filthy rich, but I've got money for that. Alright, so we're going to stop recording right now. Going to get some Chipotle. And then going to go home and eat it. Because I like Chipotle. I also like McDonald's. You judge me all you want, I don't care. So, anyway, if this does make it, I got to do my routine. I got to tell you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, do a like. You do you. But until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.